Anakin, the name of Allah's most mighty and most merciful. So in this video we are going to know the Python in 4 parts. So we are going to start by introduction and the another work that is going to be the operator, operand, and further we are going to learn more. And inshallah after 4 there will be 3, 2 and then 1. In 1 Python we are going to do 2. So we are going to start the introduction of the Python. Introduction of the Python is that Python is a programming language and that used for application or any other. That's a scripting language. Like if you can compare the JavaScript with the Python because it's so much same to same. You can say that's not different about operator, operand, and there will be many more. We are going to learn to, you can say, like we are going to say. So where we are going to do the Python? We are so many people are going to say that in the VS Code. We are not going to go to the VS Code. We are going to do it in the Replit. Replit is a free code editor. In other languages I had done in the Replit, you can see too. So I am going to create a REPL of which I am going to create a REPL of Python. This is the Python. Click here and name it. Name will be the one intro. Okay, wait, I will do it intro. That will be intro, and then create REPL. The REPL will be created automatically. So we are going to wait for it, and that will be on. So as you can see, that's on. Close the search one, and that's console. We wait a second. That's connecting. When I click here, double click or here, so there will be unconnected option like this. You have to close the console, put your console here, and what you have to write here. First, what is the syntax of it or of output? How can we show the hello world or any word at the console? The syntax is what? Print. What will we print? A. Run. You have to run after that, and then you are going to see. Wait, there is A. Now there is print and that's showing us A. Now we are going to know the another one that you can say this was only the print. Now we are going to know the output. We had done the output and the syntax. Now we are going to know the variable. Variable are any number, any text like A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 2 like this, and after that you can write here what? Print A plus B. Run it by control enter, so that will be automatically run. There is a port A average and full path will be A and C. So that's how they work. So how can we comment it? If I want to finish this A, I will put a hash. That's and comment. So if you are new in my channel, so don't forget to press the bell icon button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get my new videos and new content. We are going to plan back here. Now I had told you about the, you can say, variables, and now I am going to tell you about the count. They are counting like there is only one, so that is int. That's int. If I write A plus B, if I call A, I will write a type with the bracket. What is type of A? Run it. So that is going to show me int. After that there will be int. You can see here that's showing us int. So the class of the A is int. That's our int. Int is equal to like only one letter. That's int. Now we have 2.2. So now if I call what? The B. So what that's showing us, that is going to show us not the int, that will be float with the point. So that is float. If I call like 1J, I'm going to duplicate it and that will be here to the C and one J, there will be 1. Now what I am going to call? I am going to call the C, so that will be what? That is going to be complex, because complex has two properties. Complex. So that's how these things work. So now now I am going to tell you the strings. They are string, like you can write here A is equal to that's a string is equal to that's the same of the string. I will make a string. Here what I am going to write? I am going to write my name is Subhan. Similarly, I will print it. That is going to show us a where we have to comment it out. You can say I am going to comment it out. Comment it out. Now we have to run it best simply and run. There is full path, and that is my name is Subhan. If I do it what? Len.a, like len a, run it. So what is len is equal to the length? The length is 17. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 6, 17. Exact. So if I write here len, like there will be a type. So that is str type. Wait, I want to come down, run it to, that is the str. Wait, there will be type. Run it. I am going to close these one so you can see it. Str is called string. So these are the strings. So if we have to format it, how we are going to format it? By, you can say, there is the str. If I do that is all at the, you can say, at the upper and smaller case. So if I write here what? Upper or like wait. I will write here upper. Upper, what will be upper? Upper will be what will be the upper is going to be A. Wait, we are going to see, put your cursor here and going to come here. Wait, come down. Upper A. And that's it. That's our same weight. If I write here like what upper. Upper case okay, now what we have to do, we have to write here A dot uppercase, A dot upper, done. Now spell it with and you have to finish one. Control enter, run it. So what is going to show us? A with the full capital. There is it, close it, and there is my name is Subhan. So if I that's in capital. If I write here lower, so that will be in lowercase. First that is going to show poetry, and then that will be my name is Subhan. So that's how that works. So we can take the len to by writing len. So now we are going to see the if and else. If there is the property O is equal to what? That is like, that will be not O, that is going to be age, and that will be 12. Then write here if the condition, we have to write age bigger than, without these brackets, 8 bigger than 10. I have to print it. Hello world. And if I write here else, print hello and run it. So that is going to show us what? The whole path, and then there will be my name is one and then hello. Because the age, wait, we have to do it like this. Run it now. So that is going to show us what? Hello world. And there is the hello world. That's how it works. Oh, if else. Now what we are going to know? We are going to write here. Come down. What you are going to write here? Our text is equal to blank. And then there will be what? 4. 4 with the bracket. In it you have to write here I is equal to 0. And then I starting arrow 10. And then I double plus. And then what you have to do? We are knowing the, you can say we are doing the, I have to tell you that we are doing for loop. Like this, and then, wait, I am going to see, without brackets. Wait, that's done, that's same, that's same. We have to finish this one. Finish. Wait, I am going to come in console first. Wait, that's loading, so we are going to wait. Here, finish this. So there is our 4 with the I is equal to 0. When I run it, so what's that going to show us? That is going to show us the counting to 0 to 10. I have to tell you that one thing, that the counting starts from 0 to 10. So that is the counting of what? The programming language or the any language. So the programming language and the coding language start from 0 to 100. If I give the value, what I had given the value, you can say I had given the value I is equal to 0, and then I is, like you can say I is equal to 0, and then I is greater than 10, so I double plus. Now what we have to do, we have to write here one more code. Came down, and we are going to write here the property that is going to be what? That we had made in our text plus as equal to the values. This is and plus I. And then what you have to do? You have to write here I double plus again. And then wait. I will see. I am going to. I think we don't need this. What I am going to do, I am going to finish this, that brackets, and I will finish from here to finish it. Now it look like this with the I double plus, and at the end there are columns. So now what we have to do, I will run it. So wait, there you can say that is wait. I will know this. For 2 seconds put your cursor here, and then wait. We are going to wait for a second, and then like it here and then this. Now what we have to do, come down, insert it, and what you can see here, now go to the console. Here that add in the for loop. I had added here what the for loop, and then there is what the for I in useful in range of 10, and then text plus is equal to this plus str. Now because that is a string, come down, we have to print it too. You have to write here print and write here text. Now run. So what will be here, there will be the 0 to counting from 9. Wait. Print text. Where is the text? Wait. I am going to come here and done. That is a variable. You can see here. That is a variable. Text is a variable. Wait. So that will be not like this. So this was the part 1 of the Python. So if you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will see you in the next video with my new content. So take care and Allah Hafiz.